Euchre is a card game that is played with two teams of two, where players try to win tricks and score the most points. Before the game starts, take the 2 through 8 of each suit out of a standard deck of cards so you're left with 24 cards. This will be the deck you use for the game. Then, split up into two teams of 2 and sit across from your teammate. Deal each player 5 cards. Place the remaining 4 cards face down next to the dealer, and flip the top card face up. Now it's time to establish what suit will be the trump for that round. Whatever suit the card that's flipped face up is will be the first possible trump. Starting with the player on the dealer's left, each player has the option to agree to the trump being the showing suit or pass to the next player. If a player agrees and chooses not to pass, that suit becomes trump, and the dealer picks up the face-up card and replaces it with a different card from their hand face down. If all of the players pass, the decision goes back to the player on the dealer's left, and they can choose any suit as trump. When a trump suit is established, the jack of that suit becomes the highest ranking card of the game. Additionally, the jack of the other suit in the same color becomes a trump card, and it is the second highest ranking card. For example, if diamonds are trump, then the jack of diamonds would be the highest ranking card, and the jack of hearts would be the second highest ranking card. Once trump is established, the round begins with the player on the dealer's left going first. The first player can play any card from their hand, with that suit becoming the leading suit. The next player on their left then must play a card in the same suit if they have one. If they don't, they can play a card in any suit. Play continues clockwise until everyone has gone. Then the player who played the highest card in the leading suit wins the trick and collects the cards. However, if one or more cards in the trump suit have been played, the highest trump card wins the trick. Whoever wins the trick plays the lead card for the next trick. Once everyone is out of cards, each team adds up their total score. The team that chose the trump suit wins 1 point for every trick they won 3 to 4 tricks, or 2 points per trick if they won 5 tricks. The other team wins 2 points for every trick if they won 3 to 4 tricks, or 4 points per trick if they won 5 tricks. If the team that chose trump fails to win at least 3 tricks, the other team automatically wins 2 points. Continue playing rounds until one team reaches 10 points. Whichever team reaches 10 points first wins the game.